I'm Leah. I've been on the Senedd for 2 years. I was told about the Senedd during a lesson in school when a youth worker came in to talk about something called the UNCRC. This is the United Nations Conventions on the Rights of a Child. They told me I have rights, and they included the right to be heard, the right to play, and the right to education. Altogether, children and young people in Wales have 42 rights. Being a member of the Senedd has allowed me to be involved in lots of projects. I have met with lead members of the council, and I've also met our Parliament members for both the UK and in Wales. These people are the people who make decisions on things that affect our lives and our future. While I've been part of the Senedd, I have met lots of new people, made some amazing friends, and I have been to lots of places like London, the House of Commons, and Cardiff, the Senedd in Cardiff Bay. I love being part of the Senedd. Why don't you come along, have a cuppa and meet some new people?